What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You might already know what this video is looking at the thumbnail and the description, but I'm going to tell you again. The other day we got kittens and we decided to show everyone around the world that we got kittens. And I have my special guest, my sister Savannah, because one of the kittens is hers.
The cute one?
Yeah. They're both cute, actually. So today, let's go show you guys our kittens. Now, warning, you may suffer with a cuteness overload, so just warning you. So if you have cuteness something, don't watch this. There they are. That one is Savannah's. What's her name?
Pearl.
After the SpongeBob character. Pearl from SpongeBob.
That's true, and it's also in a country song.
Oh, it is.
And
oh,
she's
that makes
so
sense.
cute when it's
And then this one is mine, Shadow. She's very playful. They're both girls. I named her Shadow. A very rare name for a black cat, you know. She's very playful right now, actually. And Savannah's taking her kitty. So let me grab Shadow real quick. Hey, Shadow, you're on YouTube. Shadow, you're on YouTube. Oh, Shadow likes playing with her Chewy box bed.
Here we go.
Shadow. Watch this.
She's gonna drink some milk.
Oh yeah, we soaked some of their kitty food in milk.
Oh,
they love it.
Yeah.
That is so cute.
Oh yeah, yummy, milky.
Oh, Shadow loves playing with the rope. Savannah made them this box house, so shout out to you for making this box house. They absolutely love it. And then you've probably seen Savannah's parakeets in Trick Shots with Animals. This is one of her bird toys, and we gave it to the kitties because the birds don't use it.
Okay.
So yeah.
Come on, let's go get some milk.
All right. Oh, that is so cute. When they're done, we'll show you guys them playing, and they do lots of crazy stuff actually.
That stuff actually smells good.
The food actually smells good. They are so cute.
Cereal.
Hey Savannah, pick yours up. Show them how small they really are. Because you might not be able to tell. So there's Savannah's kitty compared to her head. Compared to Savannah's head, I calculated it takes about 4 of them to be the size of my Chihuahua. So they're very small. And my Chihuahua's not a fat one, he's a small one, so they're pretty small.
They're tiny. They're just little babies. Yum yum.
So breaking news, YouTube just got rid of polls, so now I'm gonna need you guys to comment below what you guys want me to do. If we should do more videos with our animals, because we have dogs, a horse, some parakeets, and now the kitties. So comment below if you want more videos with our animals, and that's pretty likely to happen. Yeah. Oh, that is so cute. That is so cute. Look at that. I think I just got a cuteness overload. I present to you the kitty cam. Whoa, kitty camera. Kitty cam, sponsored by Stetson and Studios, I guess. Kitty cam. Hey, Shadow. Hey, Shadow. Oh, Savannah's here with some more milk. Did you warm it up in the microwave? Shadow.
It got too hot, so I put some more milk.
Oh, okay. Oh, that is so cute. That is so cute. That is so cute. Shadow, so cute. Shadow also matches my hair. Yeah. Say hi to the camera, Shadow. Whoa, not that close. He thinks it's food or something. She, I meant. Why do I keep saying he? We used to have cats that looked just like them that were both boys. So I've been calling them he's instead of she's.
Hey. Okay, fine. Oh, she wants the milk.
Oh, the milk. The good, delicious milk. Actually, I don't like milk, but the cats do.
Milk is delicious.
That is so cute. So Savannah. Oh my goodness. Shadow, get out from under there.
Shadow, that's rat poison.
That's a rat trap. Get Shadow now. Get Shadow now.
Shadow.
Shadow. Shadow. Oh my goodness.
Shadow.
Where'd Shadow go? Shadow. Oh my goodness. Shadow. No, Shadow. Oh my goodness.
I got Carver.
Oh, you got her?
Right here.
Did you get her?
I'm getting her.
Hold on.
Got her.
You got her? Oh.
Shadow.
Whew. That was a close one, Shadow.
Where's my cat?
She's in her house. She ran in there. She ran in her little house.
Oh, good. I thought Pearl ran off too. You are a little rascal.
Shadow, I can't believe you ran off right in the middle of the video.
Anymore?
Hey, Savannah.
What?
Can I talk to you without the cat for a minute?
Why?
Because something the cat can't know.
You can't.
Something Pearl doesn't need to know.
What?
Okay, let's put them in the kennel, hide the camera, and let's go, and then let's watch it, see what they do when we're not here. You want to do that?
Okay, fine.
Okay, yeah. Good thing cats don't know English.
I love you, and I will see you later, okay?
All right, kitties, bye-bye, say bye. We'll be gone. No cameras, nothing in here. Don't worry, there won't be anything watching you.
Bye.
At all.
Bye, kitties.
Bye, kitties.
Bye.
We'll be back later. Hey, kitties. She's pooping. She's pooping?
I think so.
I think she's about to poop.
Hey, the ball's off the roof.
Oh, it is. What did you guys do? Huh?
Oh.
Oh, that is so cute.
Aww. My little girl's.
Savannah, I had an idea. You want to take some pictures with our cats?
Oh.
Yeah, let's take some pictures with the kitties. Okay? I'll take some pictures of you and your cat. You take some pictures of me and my kitty.
Okay.
Here we go. Oh, that is so adorable.
That is adorable.
Well, thanks for watching, guys. Those photos went really well, actually. Well, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time. Would Pearl like to do the outro? Okay, Pearl, tell them where to subscribe. Subscribe up there? Pearl, where could they see the newest video? Okay. And there's some other random video up there too, right, Pearl? Alright, we'll see you next time on Stetson Pacheco Studios. Say bye, Pearl. From all of us at Stetson Pacheco Studios, say bye, Savannah.
Bye.
Say bye, Pearl. Say bye, Shadow. Whoa! We'll see you next time at Stetson Pacheco Studios.